my name's Tara Lyle, owner of the High Tide Group.
And I'm Christy O'Neill, a licensed local realtor.
And we are going to show you New Smyrna Beach from the water today on the beautiful Black Hawk. Come along. The star attraction in New Smyrna Beach is its 17-mile stretch of white sandy beaches. Our beach is well known for surfers, offering some of the finest wave action on the east coast of the U.S. New Smyrna is loved by visitors and locals alike. The foodie town features dozens of local restaurants with incredible cuisine. It has been featured in several magazines as a top beach town to visit. Located in Central Florida, you can see all of the shuttle launches from Kennedy Space Center and SpaceX here. If fishing is your thing, we're located right at Ponce Inlet. We have incredible inshore and offshore fishing. The real estate market is hot, with a year-after-year increase in prices. Benicia, Yacht Club Island, and North Beach are some of the best areas to live, featuring beautiful waterfront properties. Here at the High Tide Group, we're available to show you everything NSB has to offer, from our local restaurants, breweries, coffee shops, and visit any home by land or water. We look forward to working with you.